Har Har Mahadev. In the Vigyan Bhairava Tantra, Shiva reveals that between every two breaths there is a pause. In that pause, pure consciousness lives. That consciousness is Shiva. This is that practice. Sit comfortably and let your spine rise with ease, tall and effortless. Rest your hands on your thighs, palms open, facing upward, receptive. Now gently close your eyes and invite your breath to move in its natural rhythm. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine and imagine a soft, warm glow there. Steady, grounding, and supportive. With each inhale, feel that glow become fuller. With each exhale, feel it settle into your seat. Now imagine gentle roots extending from the base of your spine and the soles of your feet, moving down into the earth. And feel the earth meeting you. Feel the support rising through your body. Feel your being anchored and held. Let your breath continue in its natural flow. Feel the body softening into presence. Feel the mind settling into stillness. With each inhale, sense the gentle fullness at the top of the breath. With each exhale, sense the quiet resting at the bottom of the breath. These moments of stillness between your breaths are already here. You are simply noticing them right now. Let your awareness rest inside these pauses. Soft, effortless, and spacious. Bring your awareness to your heart. As you inhale, feel the heart space brighten. A warm expansion, a gentle opening, a subtle glow inside. As you exhale, bring your awareness to the crown of your head. Feel a soft spaciousness above you, as if light is entering from there, quiet and luminous. Inhale into the heart. Feel the breath illuminating the center of your chest from within. Exhale toward the crown. Feel the depth rising upward like a fine stream of light. Allow this circuit to become continuous. Concentrate on your heart as you inhale and focus on the crown as you exhale. With each inhale, feel the heart growing more radiant. With each exhale, feel the crown becoming more spacious. Feel the connection between them becoming clearer. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Every breath you take, Shiva breathes with you. Every pause between the breath, Shiva rests with you. Remain here for one more moment and let your breath and the silence between them meet inside you. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Har Har Mahadev.